How to replace the maintenance cartridge in the HP DesignJet XL 3800 multifunction printer. Replacing the maintenance cartridge is a procedure that needs to be completed within a certain time limit. Before replacing the existing cartridge, be sure to have the new maintenance cartridge ready. You also need to use gloves for this procedure. While the printer prepares for the maintenance cartridge replacement, a time remaining screen displays with a timer. Locate the maintenance cartridge door on the right of the printer and open it. Remove the cartridge cover. Then remove the old maintenance cartridge. Insert the new maintenance cartridge. The printer checks the new cartridge and finishes the replacement. This might take a few seconds to complete. Printer finishes, a screen displays indicating that the replacement has completed successfully. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.